Welcome back. Our expression says we have the root of 50 plus 10 over the root of 2. Now I can easily write this way. This is 50 for clarity's sake over 1 plus 10 over root of 2. Let's take an LCM. My LCM obviously is root 2. 1 in root 2 is root 2. Root 2 times 50. That's obviously going to be 100 as a root of 100 plus 10. So this is the same thing as the root of 100. We know the root of 100 is 10 plus 10 over root 2. That's the same thing as 20 over root 2. Now, to simplify this surd, I can easily multiply both numerator and denominator by root 2. So that this is root 2. So that will be the same thing as 20 root 2 over root 2 times root 2. That's 2. It's 2. 2 here is 1. 2 in 20 is 10. That will be the same thing as 10 root 2. 10 root 2. So with this, I hope you understand how I simplified this surd problem. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.